Today, we are going to do a simple 5-minute voice warm-up. This is for anyone who is about to talk to a group, teach, present, perform, or record. Warming up your voice is not a luxury. It is basic maintenance. It protects you from strain and helps you sound clearer, stronger, and more confident. Very briefly, here is what is going on when you speak. Your breath moves up from your lungs, passes through your vocal folds in your larynx, which vibrate to create sound. That sound then resonates in the spaces of your throat, mouth, nose, and chest. Finally, your tongue, lips, jaw, and soft palate shape that sound into words. No breath, no voice. Breath is the fuel for everything we are about to do, and it is often the most underrated part of voice work. We will assume that you have done a general physical stretch before starting this. We will go in this order: a short physical release, then breath, then resonance, then articulation, and finally a 30-second emergency warm-up that you can use when you're really short of time. You can do most of this standing up or sitting upright. Ready to begin? We'll start with the physical release, usually about a minute. We start with the body because a tight body usually means a tight voice. Join in with me. Gently roll your shoulders forward 3 times. Easy and loose. And now roll them back 3 times. Let your arms hang and give your hands and wrists a light shake, as if you're shaking off water. Now, let your head float tall and gently tilt one ear towards your shoulder. No forcing, just a stretch. Back to center, and now the other side. Back to center. Drop your chin towards your chest and feel the back of your neck lengthen. Slowly bring your head back up to neutral. Now the jaw. Place your fingertips on the muscles just in front of your ears and gently massage small circles. Let your jaw hang loose as you do this. Then let your lips flop with a soft blah, blah, blah feeling, not worrying how it looks. You're just telling your body that it is safe to let go. Second, the breath. Remember, without the breath, there is no voice. So sit or stand tall. Place your one hand on your belly, on your tummy. Breathe in through your nose for a slow count of 4, letting your belly, your tummy, gently expand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, breathe out on a gentle s for a count of 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'd like you to pause the video and do that twice more. Okay, now one more breath in for 4, and this time sigh the breath out on a comfortable ha sound, as if you're letting go of the day. In for 4, and a soft voiced sigh on the out breath. Ma. Notice how the breath supports the sound without you pushing. Third, resonance. About a minute. Now, we wake up the resonators, especially the chest, throat, and face. First, place your hand on your chest and hum very gently on one comfortable note. Feel a slight vibration in your chest. Don't push, just let it buzz. Now, move that hum slightly higher and lower, like a small slide. Next, try a lip trill or raspberry, if you can. Let your lips vibrate as you send air through them. On one note first, then a gentle siren up and down. If lip trills are difficult, you can use v or z instead. Now, we will add a simple siren moving through the range on like at the end of the word sing. Start in the middle of your range and slide up and down on a few times, like this. Keep it smooth and easy. No squeezing, no forcing. Do that several times on one breath. Fourth, articulation and vowel sequence. About 2 minutes. Now, we wake up the lips, tongue, and jaw and combine everything with a pattern that helps breath, resonance, and articulation at the same time. Our vowel pattern is R, A, E, A, R, O, U, O, R. We will put consonants before, after, and then both sides of that pattern. Let us start with the consonant B. So first, B at the beginning. Ba, bay, bee, bay, bar, bor, boo, bor, bar. Keep the jaw loose, the lips active, and try to do the whole line on one comfortable breath without forcing. Now, B at the end. Arb, abe, ebe, abe, arb, orb, oob, orb, arb. You will feel the lips close a little later in the sound. Now, B at both ends. Barb, babe, beeb, babe, barb, borb, boob, borb, barb. Again, aim for one breath, but don't strain. If you need 2 breaths, that is fine, and over time you can extend it. You can work through the alphabet like this. Choose a consonant and run the same pattern. For example, with M at the beginning. Ma, may, me, may, ma, more, moo, more, ma. M at the end. Arm, aim, eam, aim, arm, orm, orm, arm. And at both ends. Marm, maim, meem, maim, marm, morm, moom, morm, marm. You might like to try B, D, G, M, N, L, S, T, and so on, over several days. Each consonant challenges slightly different muscles in the lips and your tongue. For this 5-minute warm-up, just choose 1 or 2 consonants and keep the sound supported by the breath, resonant and relaxed. The goal is clear: easy speech, not loudness. Now, let's get to that emergency 30-second warm-up when you just have not had any time to do your warm-up. Sometimes you only have half a minute before you speak, and this is a quick reset for those moments. Sit or stand upright. Take a soft breath in through your nose, and on the out breath, hum gently on a comfortable pitch. Let the hum ride the out breath while gently tapping your chest area. For example, repeat this for 3 or 4 breaths, gentle humming and chest tapping on the exhale. The key is gentle, no pounding, no pushing the voice. You are simply combining breath, resonance, and a little physical activation so that your voice is ready in about 30 seconds. That is your 5-minute voice warm-up. Use it before teaching, presenting, performing, or any time you're going to use your voice for a long period. Your voice is part of your body. It responds to care, preparation, and rest. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and take a look at some of our playlists for more warm-ups and drama activities. Thank you.